How to save or export a video from CapCut to the gallery. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to save or export a video from CapCut to the gallery. The first step is to open or launch the CapCut application on your phone, just like you can see here. Once the app opens, tap on New Project and add the video clip that you want to work on. Place the video on the timeline, and from there, you can proceed to edit it the way you want. After you are satisfied with the edits, it is time to save or export the video to your phone's gallery. Look at the top right corner of the screen, and you will see an option for selecting video resolution. Go ahead and tap on it and choose the resolution you want to export your video in, such as 720p, 1080p, or 4K, depending on your preference. After selecting the resolution, tap on the option named Export. CapCut will then start processing the video, and once it finishes, the video will automatically be saved in your phone's gallery. You can now go to your Gallery or Photos app and find the video under the Recent section, ready to share or upload anywhere you want. The process is that simple, and once you know where the Export button is located, saving videos from CapCut will take only a few seconds. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to save or export a video from CapCut to the gallery.